What's going on, guys? Today, Colin and I were going to be filming a Stereotypes video. We made one before, like last year, I think. I'll leave that at the end of the video if you want to go check it out, or you can just check it out from my channel. I would like to make a quick little disclaimer for the video. If we copied any stereotypes from anyone else, we didn't try. We just kind of thought of them and put them in our notes, and we did them. And I hope you enjoy. So if you do, smash that like button, and let's get on to the video.
Well, guys, I caught this nice fish. We got to release him nice and perfect here. Make sure he doesn't hurt himself in any way. Keep him perfectly up. And there he goes. And that is how you release a fish right there, guys. Make sure you lay flat on the ground too. It helps a lot. Oh, I missed him again. Hey Jimmy, there's $20 to catch a fish on this cast.
I mean, I've been fishing for 2 hours and I haven't caught anything, so I mean, I'll take that bet.
If you say so.
Hey Jimmy, you owe me $20!
There's no way I'll catch a fish today. It's way too calm and way too clear skies. It needs to be super cloudy and a little bit cool. No way I'm gonna catch a fish. Stupid.
That's a lot of bass in the middle of the lake.
Yeah.
That's on top of the water. So.
Got one.
Oh my goodness.
Carp.
Oh god. Is that your first carp?
First carp. I was trying to catch some bass.
A little booyah jig.
Oh my gosh.
Who would have thought?
Well guys, this is my first ever carp. We have caught so many fish today, not even trying for them. Trying to make some stereotypes, and my first ever carp. Not very big, but so much fun. Now, let's get her back. And there he goes.
It's a landslide.
It's 19th bike of the day. On the buzzbait yet again. The buzzbait has just been putting up numbers here.
Okay, explain what
He's still
happened.
there.
Explain what happened there. Oh.
Oh my god, bro, look at my thumb.
Oh, that is not good. I mean, he's right here. And there he goes. Well, this is a situation we're gonna have to handle. Well, guys, thanks for watching the video. Special thanks if you made it this far and you're watching this. By the way, Colin's thumb is fine. He just got a little cut on it from the pike. And if you like the video and you want me to make another one, comment down below and Colin and I will try to go out there and make another one. So, yeah, see you next time.